Nanka Parliamentary Select Committee on Health any military officers be a one more Afari Military Hospital a one more see a who and some more Santamante Mononka mentame ho ase bi unity e wa fane me no entemo committee no ebo aproko ho bra when you be asutrie e kwa kohwe sade adwumadie no ho pompon so no akwa akuduro eno e na sanka nyame amfafie a mentame ho ase e betumi e den sem foforo aba de kosi ye obi de shofori abanfo etwaso.
No problem. I'm saying that whatever explanation.
What I'm saying is we have something so that we all go together.
No, let me tell you something. We are more. Please.
I didn't want to go to that extent. I wanted to know why.
Let me give you something before you come in. Let me talk before you come in. This afternoon there was an information that
committee ye wadwen say ayaresabia ahodo a aban no ACC a wajai esi baabi no okwa akohwehwe ni nyina ne senti na ye wonwanwa se wokokoduru Afari project ne hode na asrafo etwa ho ahia wompese obema wonum ewrem ewo se wokobo wompanimfo amane ansa na omonkwan amo akohwehwe saa asoyi emu nanso emarachebedwafo yi ampene ena wosan won ho ekowura mu a okoko hunu se edan ni mu no gas cylinders oha enne apomden mfidie awodo bi ebo hono mu a waje agu hono mbasa ne senti benta akando a wono eneye opanyimpa woda committee ya no ede to aban enim se ene animu ya asoye no onhwe se obewie bibia wo hono se be ya wo betimi ede enema ewo no ede dwuma sede esefata.
You're speaking to me in your own interest. I know you are receiving instructions from your people, and I'm giving you this harmless advice. You are struggling to protect your leaders, but in your own interest, in order not to escalate anything, let's handle it the way you want us to handle. Let's finish what we are doing here. We will all go to engage whoever we want to engage. I am telling you that if you do anything more than this, your leaders whom you have spoken to will blame you at the end of the day. So please, with the greatest respect, they will blame you, they will sacrifice you at the end of the day. Okay? So just stand here.
For me, you have not identified me.